Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. In last session we have completed practice set 1.2. Now today we will start test for similarity of triangles. Test of similarity of triangles. AAA test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence one-to-one correspondence is ABC and PQR if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R, then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. AA test for similarity of triangles. When two angles of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity of two triangles. This condition is called AA test of similarity. Now SAA test for similarity of triangle for a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles. If two pair of corresponding sides are in the same proportion and the angle between them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. For example, if in triangle KLM and triangle RST, angle KLM is congruent to angle RST, KL divided by RS equal to LM divided by ST equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, triangle KLM is similar to triangle RST. SS test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion of corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. For example, if in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, if PQ divided by YZ equal to QR divided by XY equal to PR divided by XZ, then triangle PQR similar to triangle ZYX. Let us start practice set 1.3 question number first. In figure, angle ABC equal to 75 degree and angle EDC equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by the proper one-to-one correspondence. Question number first. Solution. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC it's congruent to angle EDC where each angle is of measure 75 degree. 75 degree. Angle ACB it's congruent to angle ECD, angle ACB and angle ECD common angle. By common angle, therefore triangle ABC it's similar to triangle EDC. ABC and EDC are similar by AA test of similarity. One-to-one correspondence is ABC EDC. Question number 2. Are the triangle in the adjoining figure similar? If yes, by which test? LMN, PQR 6, QR 8 and PR 10, LM equal to 3, MN equal to 4 and LN equal to 5. Solution. In triangle PQR and triangle LMN, PQ divided by LM equal to PQ equal to 6 divided by LM equal to 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 equal to 2 divided by 1. It is denoted by first equation. And QR divided by MN equal to QR equal to 8 and MN equal to 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 2 divided by 1. It is denoted by second equation. Same as PR divided by LN equal to PR equal to 10 and LN equal to 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 equal to 2 divided by 1. It is denoted by third equation. Therefore, PQ divided by LM equal to QR divided by MN equal to PR divided by LN are equal from equation first, second and third. From equation first, second and third. Therefore, triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN by SSS test of similarity. Question number 3. As shown in figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of a smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Question number 3. A, B, C and PQR. QR equal to 6 meter, PR equal to 4 meter, AC equal to 8 meter and BC equal to X. Solution. Here AC and PR represents the bigger and smaller poles. and BC, BC and QR, BC and QR represents their shadows. Respectively. Now, triangle ACB similar to triangle PQR, ABC and PQR. Therefore, CB divided by QR or Q equal to AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR by corresponding sides of similar triangles. Therefore, CB equal to X, QR equal to 6 equal to AC, AC equal to 8 and PR equal to 4. By cross multiplication, 4 into X equal to 6 into 8. Therefore, X equal to 6 into 8 divided by 4, 6 into 8 divided by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Therefore, X equal to 6 2 ja 12 meter. Therefore, the shadow of the bigger pole will be 12 meters. Long at that time. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, AP is a perpendicular of BC. AP is a perpendicular of BC. BQ is a perpendicular of AC. BPC are collinear points and AQC are collinear points. Then prove that triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB, AP equal to 7, BQ equal to 8, and BC equal to 12. Then find AC. Solution. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB. CPA and CQB are congruent because each angle is of measure is of measure 90 degree. Angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ by common angle. Therefore, triangle CPA similar to triangle CBQ. Angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ by common angle. Therefore, triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB by AA test of similarity. Therefore, AC divided by BC A, B, C, P and Q. AC divided by BC equal to AP divided by BQ. AC divided by BC equal to 12. BC equal to 12 equal to AP equal to 7 divided by BQ equal to 8. Therefore, by cross multiplication, 8 into AC equal to 12 into 7. Therefore, AC equal to 12 into 7 divided by 8. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 equal to 7 3 ja 21 divided by 2. Therefore, AC equal to 10.5 units. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon.